Talk a little bit about that transition from going from a scaling gym company and jumping into dental and going to these conferences.
At the end of the day, the recipe for success is the same. Any industry you go into, there is a normal distribution of talent. And you just have to find who are the outliers on that higher echelon. And typically they go to the same conferences, they're part of the same clubs. And if you can get your way into those clubs, you become the average of the people you spend the most time around. So that's what I did, right? Yep. It's a lot easier now because there's less DSO conferences post-COVID than pre-COVID. And so we make it really easy for all of you trying to break into the industry, especially as non-dentists like myself and Gary. It's really easy now to know where you should go and where you should spend your marketing dollars to get in front of the right audience.